What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all about curly hair and curly clip-ins, and I'm going to show you how I transform my short hair into having more body, more fullness with some curly clip-ins from CurlsQueen. Alright, so I'm fresh out the shower. This was wash day. If you guys haven't seen my Vegamore video, be sure to check that out if you want to see my wash routine. But I just had my hair tied up in its little waffle towel, and my hair gets kind of dry pretty quickly. So I first went in with just a spray bottle that just had water in it to dampen the hair that had already dried. And then I'm going to go in with my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I love this spray so much. When I did my big chop, I used this every single day. It was my favorite leave-in conditioner. So I picked up some more at Target, and I love using this so that my hair doesn't get dry. Even when my hair isn't damp, I like using it on dry hair too, just to add that moisture and keep my hair from feeling dry or brittle. All right, so next I'm just using this comb from Pattern Beauty. I could have definitely just used a rat tail comb to do this, but I couldn't find mine, and I had just recently purchased this comb. So we're just gonna use this. I picked it up at Ulta to make my side part, and I kind of wish I did it on the other side, but it's fine. We're just gonna proceed. Okay, so next I'm going in with my OUAI Curl Cream. I kind of go back and forth between this product. I don't know if I love it. I like it. I don't know if I love it. I love the way it does make my curls feel, but as for the appearance, sometimes I feel like it makes it look a little dusty, a little bit. So I kind of go back and forth with this product, but I do like how it makes my hair feel. So I'm using that, and then I went in with the Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I am new to Curlsmith. I am new to doing my curls in general, but I know everyone loves Curlsmith, so I picked this foam up, and they said to put your head down and do it, and I just feel like that made my hair even shorter. But this was literally my first time using it on camera. I'm gonna try it again without flipping my hair over and maybe applying it a little differently and see how it works. I don't know. I like how it made the curls look, but if you guys have tips, please share, because I'm new here, okay? All right, so as for the clip-ins, today we are using the CurlsQueen curly clip-ins. These are the water wave clip-ins in 18 inches. Now, like I said, I previously did a video with the straight clip-ins from CurlsQueen, and I love how it blends with natural black hair. You guys asked for a curly video, so that's what we're doing today. Now, they originally sent over more coily hair, and it just was not blending with my curls. I tried to make it work, it was not working. So I ended up having to get the water wave, which does blend a lot better with my natural hair, and I honestly don't even have to use all of the clip-ins that were sent. So I do have a link below in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I also have a discount code, which is Lindsay. So if you are interested in any of their curly extensions or even the straight extensions, I've got it all linked below. So what I'm first going to do is just take one of the wefts, and I'm using my fingers to just finger comb through. You can definitely also use a comb. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend using a brush, like a Denman brush or anything, unless the hair is like fully saturated and wet. So yeah, with dry hair, use your fingers or a comb. And starting at the bottom, I'm just going to section that little section up, and I'm going in with one clip at a time. Like I said, I don't end up using all of the wefts. I just kind of kept adding wefts until I felt like it was full enough for me. Now, as for products, when it comes to blending your natural hair with curly clip-ins, I really just liked using the leave-in conditioner. That's the only thing I used on the product. If you want to start from the very beginning, like how you did your natural hair, and use all those same products on the clip-ins, you totally can. I just feel like I'd be wasting the product by doing that. So that's why I only used the water and the leave-in conditioner spray. So section by section, I'm just adding different clip-ins, and I'm also using my scissors to trim the ends of them because they were looking a little, you know, they could have looked cuter. So I just used my scissors to trim the ends and just kind of framed it how I thought it might look good. My natural hair, as you saw before I put the clip-ins, it's kind of all over the place. As for length, I need like a good curly hairstylist to cut my hair appropriately. So yeah, my natural length is all over the place, but these clip-ins help to kind of mask that, and you can't really tell. So that's the good part until my hair eventually grows out this long, hopefully. Maybe it never will, I don't know, but thank God for clip-ins. So yeah, I just continue going all around my hair with different wefts and using my scissors and using my sprays to blend all that together, and that is literally all I did. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any tips, any curly tips and tricks for me because I'm new here, like I said, please let me know in the comment section below. I've got all the products linked below as well, so check those out and check out CurlsQueen. I hope you're having a great spooky season so far, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.